Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I haven't made a video, and it's all because of my studies and uni. But today I'm going to show you my garden update. So it's not looking at the best, but I'm going to put some pictures where it was a heat wave and flowers were actually blooming. So let's start with my new kiwi plant called Kiwi Self-Fertile Jenny. So I bought this from I think £12 from B&Q. I think it's really beautiful and started climbing on the trellis or obelisk. And beside it I have a red globe, a grapevine. It's still small. I repotted it. And the other side I have the black a grapevine called the Vitus, and this is the blackberry plant. You can see how big it's have become, and these are the berries, and I hope to harvest some berries in the autumn. And underneath it's my citrus plant or lemon plant, and it died but it miraculously came back. You can see it's still alive. And then this is my plum tree called the Plum Victoria. It haven't been flowered. It has flowered but haven't fruited for 4 years now. I don't know why. And beside it, I have a blueberry plant. I don't know what's called, but you can see how many blueberries it's on the plant, and it's full. And same with this cherry Heidelfinger plant, tree, sorry, and it's full of cherries. You can see, but the birds are keep eating my cherries anyway, so I don't care, because why not? It's nature. And on the side I have this new pear conference plant, a tree, sorry, I keep saying plant. So you can see it's still full of grass and seeds just because of the birds eating. And on the side I have the new apple tree. I removed this apple tree from the garden and bought a new apple tree. I'm going to put the name and I have a bird feeder from Wingard still up there, and birds are still eating. That's why it's full of seeds down here, you can see. And this is my new spearmint called Spanish spearmint from B&Q, and still growing now. I want it to be full, then I will start harvesting it. And on the side I have this 5-year-old strawberry plant, just a single strawberry plant. This is mainly just for the birds, so they are distracted from other plants. This is the store-bought mint, which I've tried to grow on here. Many of them have died now, but still growing. You can see my 5-year-old hydrangea. This is a white hydrangea, the big one, the big leaf hydrangea macrophylla. And on the side I bought a new hydrangea. This is the early blue macrophylla hydrangea, also from B&Q. I did a little bit of garden shopping. You can see how beautifully it's actually blooming. It's early blue, that's why it's blooming earlier than the other normal hydrangeas. So the hydrangea at the bottom here is small. It kind of died because it was inside in the store, and I put it outside without actually acclimatizing it, so it kind of died, but it's come back now. You can see this beautiful row here in front of my conservatory. This was the area where the previous apple tree was, where I removed it. This is a hosta, a gold variety I removed from the front yard. This is a seneti, a pink variety of seneti. Another hosta on the side, also from the front yard, I removed from the ground. Another seneti was a purple variety. I'm going to put a picture where they were in full bloom. And this is another hosta. And that one in the middle is my 2-year-old olive tree. I bought it from Tesco's, I think, 2 years ago. And it started actually having some flowers, I think. These are flower buds. I think so. So this is mainly the new garden area, my new seating, my sofas. I've also put a new drip irrigation system for the first time in my plants. I think it's easier to manage the watering, so I water from the phone, from the app. You can see every single plant has a drip irrigation in them, so I know when to water them when I'm away. You can see how good this garden is looking, the progress, but it's still not good yet because of the rain and heavy storm we had in the last week. So I have to clean this up. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later in the next video. Bye.